and start with gratefulness. Siguro not everything went well in the previous year. Pero marami din namang naging mga blessings, di ba? I'm sure some of us are excited na matatapos na yung taon. Yung mga iiwan na natin, yung mga hurts, yung mga kapalpakan, and so many other things that were not good for us. Pero alam mo, kahit nangyari ang mga yon, faithful pa rin because you've become a new person through hardships. Yes, hard lessons, pero lessons pa rin. Now, as we end this year, we want to start the year with the same posture, which is the posture of gratefulness. Gratefulness allows us to be excited, and it also enables us to see the opportunities ahead. Huwag kang matakot sa mga bagong mga bagay. Kasi new year means new things, and new things means changes in your life. Maaring hindi maging madali itong mga changes na to, pero keep being grateful. Don't lose your sense of gratefulness, kasi sa hirap ng mga challenges na darating, yung gratefulness will be the one that will see you through them. You will overcome because of your attitude. My prayer for you is that you just thank God for all that was and for all that will become.